What's up, Meg? Tess, did you want to do some couples counselling?
Yeah, she wants to break up with you.
Hey.
What?
Do you want to break up with her?
What? No? Babe, what's up?
I can explain.
We can talk it through and come to an understanding.
Are you even a registered counsellor?
No. But you can register these nuts. Take a seat. So what comes to mind when you think about how annoying Peter is?
He hasn't posted photos of us on his stories.
Are you still on about that?
How are people supposed to know that we're together? Doesn't answer when I call or message back straight away.
Yeah, well, I was at training. How am I supposed to make topside if I don't train?
Who trains at the takeaways?
And how do you know I was here?
I saw you on Kavika's story when he shouted you a feed.
Oh, so what? Now you're stalking me. See what I mean? She doesn't give me any space.
And how much space do you think you need, Peter?
More than what I'm getting now.
And how many times do you text him a day?
Yesterday I got 89 messages.
Why are you counting?
To prove my point.
But if you check the messages, they're all just follow-ups because he doesn't message back.
Yeah, well, maybe I don't reply because you're just going to be all up in my business
so you didn't know you
anyways.
need to message back, but you did it. Snap, see?
Yeah, can you see this?